So this is my cultural assignment. Course FIX100. Name Gabriel Espino. Family place of origin, Guatemala, which is located in Central America, south of Mexico, and the United States. The Guatemala population is currently 17,572,053 people. That's according to Google.com. And language spoken Spanish, indigenous dialects, which are considered other. This is a map of the location. This is Guatemala. As you can see, it's surrounded by Belize, El Salvador, Honduras, and pretty sure this is Mexico right here. Specifically, I have family here in Guatemala City. I have an uncle related to my mother, and surrounding areas would be this province, or what is considered a town, city. And cultural heritage facts. Many older relatives have dedicated their life to farming. That's related to my father's side and grandfather's side. Music has been an interest, especially acoustic guitars. Traveling has been part of some of the family. Others have decided to stay within Guatemala. Guatemala is known for historical landmarks, past civilizations like the Mayas, the ruins. Those photos can be found on Google.com. This is photos of family, parents, and cousins in Guatemala, and a village home. So this photo to the left is a photo of Guatemala, a tree, it's in a field. These are my parents, a cousin. My dad was overseeing the construction at this time. So plane on the way to there. I think this is from Google.com. I think. And this is definitely from Google. It's a village home in Guatemala. I chose this one because the people here seem to be together. It's a small home that they built with block, and this is a roof. It's an aluminum roof. You see many constructions like this in Guatemala with block and aluminum roofs. The door, wooden door. And there's something interesting section about myself. I can play the bass guitar, keyboard, and drums. I'm not proficient in the keyboard and drums. I do know the basics. The bass guitar, I guess I'm intermediate. Also, I have worked with audio boards. And audio boards are an electronic device that sections different instruments or microphones within different channels. And the audio board is used to equalize every individual instrument. So I do have experience with that in my local church, in the church organizations. I think one memorable time that I used an audio board was at Jesus House, located here in Baltimore County, close to Security Square Mall. I think it was about 200, 300 people. And I was given the task to oversee the sound system that day, to operate it, to make sure that nobody would mess the audio system up. So I think that was one of my proudest moments. An achievement would be that I have learned to use Microsoft software efficiently, meaning that I have been able to learn how to do this PowerPoint, and I think it's with time that I've been able to learn this. And that's it. That's the presentation.